Coachmen Catalina 263 front kitchen. Let's take a look. There's two air conditioners on this, two sets of steps that fold in. One, two. It's got the nice big railing system on there. And it's super easy to put away. When you're done, you just slide this up, slide right there, and it closes right up. Open it, just like that. We're gonna give you two filled propane tanks right there, a brand new Group 27 battery. It's got 12 volt shut off switch right there. Hot and cold water outside shower. There's even a hookup for the shower so you could actually hang it. Your fresh water, your city water connection, also your cable connection right here. And then swinging around, you can see it's got two slides. I got a picture of that big storage compartment there on the where you're looking at this. So on the website, it's got the nice sport rims, your hookup for 50 amp service. That's underneath the bed. It's nice and big under here. You got lots of storage. You can get to it from under the bed too. Your gear rack, so you can put that down. There's a picture of that too on the website, and it's good for 200 pounds on the back. You can strap whatever you need to bring with you right there. Leash link, so you can hook up the puppy. Two doors like I showed you before. JBL audio. Another spray port on this side, so you got fresh water over here too. And then if you wanted to put your TV outside, you got hookups for that. Black tank flush. This is aluminum, so it's not going to crack. And then right inside here, this magnets up. Boom, and it just stays right there. Fridge. Pull-out griddle. Got solar on it already. It's 200 watt solar with a 30 amp controller. It's Wi-Fi prepped. Nice big awning, and you can see right here it's got the multicolored lights, so you can turn it, make it flash, make it change colors, all that good stuff. I'm gonna close this door. Let's go on the inside. And of course it's heated in enclosed underbelly. You know, when you first come in on the left hand side, you got this nice big pantry, so you got lots of storage there. If I had a battery on this, this would light up automatically, and you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and everything on here you can run off your phone. Alright, this is a front kitchen setup, so we're going to swing around over here, get a nice big fridge, your oven that has lights on it, microwave, lots of storage above, lots of storage below. Now I'm going to show you the inside of these cabinets, and these are solid core cabinets. They're not full particle board. It is solid core. So inside this, it's too heavy and too expensive to do a completely solid surround, but they do solid core, and you should be able to see the two-tone colors in here. See that it's got an inside and an outside, so it allows those screws to hold into solid wood. Front window, your big sink right here with the roll-up drying rack. Got a plug-in right there, so you can plug some stuff in. Another one on this side. Another little spot right here for storage. You swing around, it's got your dinette right there. Nice looking colors too, lots of big windows. So this year we brought it in with the recliner, so you can sit right across from the TV in the recliner. There's storage under each one of these. This is a phone charger, and then there's a drawer right there that pulls out. And of course the cup holders. Another spot for plugging in right there. More pantry space. We're gonna swing in to the bedroom, which is also in a slide. This is a queen bed. It's got shelves on the side and spot for charging your phone. Storage up above too, not just a shelf, it's actual cabinets. Windows there. And then I'm going to try to back up over here so you can see you got storage down below, ducted heat. This has a second air conditioner like I said earlier. And then I'm going to pause this so I can pop open this nice big wardrobe for you. There we go. So you got hanging storage all the way across in here. And there's a light right there for you. And then a second door that goes out of the bedroom, your light switch. And then this is a Hollywood bathroom, or Jack and Jill they call it. You got a second door that goes out there, foot flush toilet, your sink, GFI outlet, big medicine cabinet, skylight, and then of course your shower. And it's got the nice surround right there, all the way around the shower. And we'll go back into the bedroom. And there is a spot for a TV right there. And there's a backer in the wall, so you can put up a bigger TV if you want. I would think a 32-inch would fit just fine right there. Coming back out, fireplace. And you can see, I'm going to sit down right here. Show you how that looks. So there's your view of the TV, fireplace. Zoom in right here, your JBL audio. Looks a little murky because there's a film over the top. Until somebody buys it, we'll leave the film on there so it doesn't get scratched up, but there's that. Of course, more storage in there too. Your thermostat right on the wall there. There's a backer here. You could put a nice sized TV there too. It is prepped for Wi-Fi, HDMI, and your plug, of course. So there it is. I'm going to get a nice shot from over here. Two slides, two airs, two doors, double theater seating. There's the price, and that includes freight and prep and a battery and propane. We don't have a whole bunch of extra fees. I'm sure you saw on the website, here's all the standards. And then we got a lot of options on this. The fireplace, the theater seating, the table and chairs, 50 amp service with the second air conditioner, 200 watt solar panel with the 30 amp controller. And there it is. 30 foot. 30 inch. Well, I'm gonna have to have them change that. It's a 30-foot camper, and there's the dry weight. So easily half-ton towable. Lots of room with the two slides. Great camper, great build. Come out and check it out for yourself. Front kitchen, the best part. If you like to cook, tons of counter space right there. So, thanks for watching.